Hello, dear students of class 3. I am Vidya Rani, your English teacher. Children, as we know that we have finished with chapter 2, Kaku and Lal Hawa. So, in this video, I am going to discuss the question answers for you all. As the parents had demanded for these question answers, so let's start with the question answers of Kaku and Lal Hawa chapter 2. Now children, when we start, let's start with the first question. The lines have been taken from this chapter, like no one knew Kaku's little big secret on the way to school. Now, related with these lines, the question has been asked. What was Kaku's secret? Who did not know about it? Now, answer to this question is, Kaku's secret was that he always used to walk to school to meet his friend Lal Hawa. As we had discussed in the chapter, children, that he was very much eager to meet his friend Lal Hawa, and he used to go walking to school just to meet his friend Lal Hawa. Now the second part of the question asked is, who did not know about it? The answer to it is, no one in the village knew about his secret. Not even his Amma. His Amma also did not know his secret, why he used to go to school walking. Okay, children, let us move to question number 2. But before that, related to that, the lines have been given. Kaku loved meeting Lal Hawa every day. Now, related to this line, the question is, what did Kaku loved the most about Lal Hawa? What did he like about Lal Hawa, children? Now, the answer to this question is, Kaku loved Lal Hawa's red paint, its fast-moving wheels, and the chuk-chuk sound it made. Kaku used to love these 3 things of Lal Hawa. First was red paint, second was its fast-moving wheels, and third was the chuk-chuk sound it made. Okay, children? Did you get question number 2's answer? Now let us move to question number 3. The line taken from the story is, Kaku was sad. Related to this, the question is, why was Kaku sad? Answer to this question is, Kaku was sad because his school teacher had told him that their village was too small for the mighty Lal Hawa to stop. Okay, children? Kaku became very sad when he came to know from his schoolmaster that his village was very small for that mighty means big, that Lal Hawa to stop. Okay, children? Let us move to question number 4. Now let us read this line which has been taken from the story. Kaku could not believe it. Related to this, the question has been asked, what could Kaku not believe and why? The answer to this question is, Kaku could not believe that Lal Hawa had actually stopped at his village because it never used to stop at his village. Okay? Kaku could not believe that Lal Hawa had stopped at his village. Now, let us move to the fifth question. Lal Hawa was flying and so was Kaku. Why? What does flying mean here? What is the meaning of flying here? Okay, children? Now, the answer to it is flying here means that Lal Hawa was moving very fast on the tracks, and along with it, Kaku was also moving. Got, children? Question number 5's answer. Let us move to question number 6. She had tears in her eyes. Now, related to this line, the question has been asked, why do you think Kaku's mother had tears in her eyes? Now, answer to this question is, Kaku's mother had tears in her eyes because Kaku was happy as his friend Lal Hawa had stopped at his village and his dream had come true. Now, why was the tears in Kaku's mother's eyes? Because Kaku's mother was also feeling good, children. That finally the dream had come true of that Lal Hawa will stop at his village. So this was question and answers, children, of chapter 2. I will be catching up with the next video. Okay, children? Till then, take care.